Hey there, travel enthusiast, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to pack everything you need into just one carry-on. Yep, that's right, no checked bags, no stress. Whether you're off on a weekend escape or a longer adventure, we've got you covered. Ready to become a carry-on packing pro? Let's dive in. To pack like a pro, you need the right carry-on bag. Here's what to look for. Make sure it meets airline size requirements, typically 22 by 14 by 9 inches. Look for a bag with sturdy wheels and a comfortable handle if you're going for a suitcase. Multiple compartments are a must for keeping everything organized. And if you prefer backpacks, go for one with padded straps and back support. A durable, lightweight material will make your travels a breeze. Planning is the key to packing success. Start with a packing list tailored to your trip. Check the weather at your destination and think about activities you'll be doing. This will help you decide what to bring. Make sure to review airline restrictions, especially for carry-on sizes and weights. Choose versatile pieces of clothing that can be mixed and matched. A little planning goes a long way in making sure you have everything you need without overpacking. Alright, let's get down to business. Should you roll or fold your clothes? Rolling is fantastic for saving space and minimizing wrinkles, perfect for t-shirts, jeans, and casual wear. Folding works best for bulkier items like sweaters or formal clothes you want to keep crisp. For ultimate space saving, try combining both methods. Roll lighter, casual items, and fold heavier or more formal pieces. This way, you'll maximize space and keep your bag organized. To take your packing game to the next level, use packing cubes and compression bags. Packing cubes are great for organizing your clothes by type or outfit. They keep everything neat and easy to find. Compression bags are amazing for shrinking down bulky items like jackets and sweaters. Just pack, zip, and squeeze out the air. You'll be surprised how much more you can fit into your carry-on using these handy tools. Let's talk about what to pack. The key to minimalist packing is focusing on essentials. For a business trip, think versatile outfits that can transition from meetings to dinners. For a vacation, pack comfortable, multifunctional clothing. Stick to a neutral color palette to maximize mix and match potential. And don't forget the basics like underwear, socks, and a small laundry bag. You'll be surprised how little you actually need. Toiletries can be tricky, but with a few tips you'll navigate TSA like a pro. Pack your liquids in containers no larger than 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters and place them in a clear, quart-sized bag. Essentials like shampoo, conditioner, and toothpaste go here. Solid toiletries like bar soap and stick deodorant save even more space. And remember, you can always pick up what you need at your destination. Keep it simple, and you'll breeze through security. Your electronics need some careful packing too. Store gadgets like laptops, tablets, and cameras in protective sleeves. Use small pouches for cables and chargers to keep them organized and tangle-free. Place your tech items near the top of your bag or in an easily accessible pocket for quick removal at security. And don't forget those noise-canceling headphones for a peaceful flight. Smart packing keeps your gear safe and your journey smooth. Packing shoes efficiently can free up a lot of space. Use shoe bags or reusable covers to keep your clothes clean. Stuff socks, underwear, or small accessories inside your shoes to utilize every inch. Limit yourself to 2 pairs. One comfortable pair for walking and a dressier option. Wear your bulkiest pair on the plane to save room in your bag. Smart packing for shoes means more space for everything else. Packing for different weather conditions? Layering is your secret weapon. Start with lightweight base layers, add middle layers for warmth, and top it off with a weather-resistant outer layer. Choose versatile pieces that can be worn in multiple ways, like a scarf that doubles as a wrap or a dress that can be dressed up or down. This strategy keeps your bag light and your outfits flexible, no matter where you're headed. Adding entertainment and comfort items. Don't forget to pack for some fun and relaxation. Bring a good book, a travel journal, or a tablet loaded with your favorite shows. A compact travel pillow and a lightweight blanket can make long journeys much more comfortable. And if you love a good puzzle or a deck of cards, they're great for passing the time without adding much weight. Remember, it's about packing light but also enjoying your trip to the fullest. Now it's time to put it all together. Use every inch of your carry-on wisely. Fill in gaps with smaller items like socks or accessories. Place heavier items at the bottom near the wheels or at the back if it's a backpack. Keep frequently used items at the top or in outer pockets. This way, everything is easy to find, and your bag remains balanced and easy to carry. Staying organized is key to making the most of your carry-on space. Alongside your carry-on, your personal item is essential for travel day. This could be a small backpack, a tote, or a handbag. Pack it with items you'll need on the go, like your passport, boarding pass, wallet, phone, snacks, and a water bottle. A small toiletries kit with hand sanitizer and wipes is also handy. Keeping these essentials close means you're always prepared, and your travel day is much more comfortable. Distributing weight and securing your bag are crucial for comfort and safety. Place heavier items near the base or back of your bag to maintain balance and make it easier to carry. Use TSA-approved locks to secure your zippers and protect your belongings. If you're using a backpack, adjust the straps so it sits comfortably on your back. Proper weight distribution and bag security make a big difference in how easy and safe it is to travel with your carry-on. Before you head out, let's do a final check. Make sure your packing list is complete. Do you have all your essentials? Double-check that your liquids are in a clear bag and meet TSA requirements. Ensure your electronics and valuables are easy to access. Check your travel documents, passport, Idaho, tickets. Finally, give your bag a quick once-over to ensure it's zipped up and ready to go. A final checklist helps you travel with peace of mind. Traveling light can truly transform your journey. Here are some real-life success stories from travelers who've mastered the art of packing a carry-on. Whether it's avoiding lost luggage, skipping the baggage claim, or just enjoying the freedom of a lighter load, these travelers show that less is definitely more. Traveling light isn't just a packing strategy, it's a way to enhance every adventure. And there you have it. You're now equipped with all the tips and tricks to pack everything you need into a carry-on. Whether you're off on a quick trip or a long journey, mastering carry-on packing makes travel easier, more efficient, and a lot more fun. Try these tips on your next adventure and see the difference it makes. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining us and happy travels.